Today, we're learning the elimination method for solving systems of equations. This is the fastest technique you can use during timed exams, and once you master it, you'll never want to go back to messy substitution. Let's say you need to solve 7x minus 5y equals 24, and 4x minus 3y equals 11. You could use substitution by solving for y first, but look what happens. You get y equals 5x minus 24 all over 7. When you substitute this into the other equation, you're dealing with fractions everywhere. It's slow and error-prone. The elimination method is different. Instead of isolating variables and substituting, we strategically add or subtract the two equations to make one variable disappear completely. We keep everything as whole numbers, which means faster calculations and fewer mistakes. Let me show you how it works. First, decide which variable to eliminate. Look at the coefficients. For x, we have 7 and 4. For y, we have 5 and 3. We need to find the least common multiple for each. The LCM of 7 and 4 is 28, but the LCM of 5 and 3 is only 15. Smaller numbers mean easier calculations, so let's eliminate y first. Now we make the y coefficients equal. Multiply the first equation by 3. That gives us 21x minus 15y equals 72. Multiply the second equation by 5. That gives us 20x minus 15y equals 55. Perfect. Now both equations have negative 15y, and we're ready to eliminate. Here's where the magic happens. We subtract equation 4 from equation 3. 21x minus 20x gives us just x. Negative 15y minus negative 15y cancels to 0. The y variable disappears completely. And 72 minus 55 gives us 17. So x equals 17. Just like that, we've solved for x without any fractions. Now that we have x equals 17, we substitute it back into one of our original equations. Let's use the second one. 4 times 17 minus 3y equals 11. 4 times 17 is 68, so 68 minus 3y equals 11. Move 68 to the right side. Negative 3y equals negative 57. Divide both sides by negative 3, and we get y equals 19. And there's our answer. X equals 17, y equals 19. Notice how we avoided fractions completely? That's the beauty of the elimination method. Every step used whole numbers, making calculations fast and reducing the chance of errors. Let's recap the elimination method. First, scan the coefficients and pick the variable with the smaller least common multiple. Second, multiply the equations to make those coefficients equal. Third, subtract or add to make that variable vanish. Fourth, substitute back to find the remaining variable. This method is your secret weapon for solving systems quickly during exams. Practice it a few times and it'll become automatic. The elimination method isn't just faster, it's more accurate. When you're racing against the clock in an exam, working with integers instead of fractions can be the difference between a right answer and a careless mistake. Master this technique, and you'll tackle systems of equations with confidence every time.